In today's video, we're going to be talking about a variety of precious metals. We're going to briefly talk about why I stack silver and gold, which I talk about quite a bit. But more importantly, we're going to talk about why I don't stack platinum or palladium. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well, feeling great, and enjoying freedom. It's a great day to have a great day. Today, I wanted to talk a little bit about silver and gold, but I mainly wanted to talk about platinum and palladium. More specifically, I want to talk about why I don't stack platinum and palladium. We're going to get into it, but really quick, just in case you're new.
Make sure to subscribe for daily videos. Also subscribe to my second channel, which is my backup channel for exclusive weekly content. Brand new video over there. Go check it out. The link will be in the description. And if you want to get some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel, I would really appreciate it. Any and all merchandise can be found by clicking the first link in the description section down below. Thank you in advance. It's more than appreciated. But today
is Friday, July 23rd, 2021. It's actually still Thursday, the 22nd, as I'm recording the video, so I have no idea what the spot price of silver and gold are going to be by the time I drop this video. So head on down to the comments and let me know the date and time you're viewing the video and what the current spot price is for you. I'm always curious. But I figured, since in today's video, we're going to be primarily talking about platinum and palladium, thought it was kind of interesting to toss up the spot price of those, since I don't often do that. Spot price of platinum, as I'm recording the video, is $1,088. It was a green day for platinum, up 14 bucks. And then as for palladium, $2,657, a green day for palladium as well, up 59 bucks. Now, for those of you who do not know much about platinum or palladium, I'm not very surprised. Not a lot of people stack platinum or palladium. Not a lot of people focus too heavily on platinum and palladium. I personally do not stack either of those metals. I never have. But I think it's really important to pay attention to them. I think it's really important to keep your eye on what they're doing over there, similar to the other markets as well. I talk about this all the time. I've been saying it for years. You should be paying attention to the precious metals that you don't stack. You should be paying attention to the markets that you're not involved in or have no affiliation with. If you don't believe in the stock market, I think you should still be paying attention. If you can't afford real estate, I think you should still be paying attention. You should have your eyes on all of the markets. So today, being that we don't usually talk about platinum or palladium, that's exactly what I wanted to do in this video. So if you didn't already know, platinum and palladium are precious metals similar to silver and gold, but they're also industrial metals simultaneously. They're used in a variety of different industries. They have tons and tons and tons of jobs similar to silver and gold, especially silver. We talk about all the time how silver has over 10,000 different uses in all of these different industries. Well, very similar could be said about platinum and palladium as well. For example, platinum, number one use for platinum would be catalytic converters for cars. Same can be said about palladium as well. And what's funny is that over the years, as palladium surpasses platinum, or in the past where platinum surpassed palladium, the car industries have actually gone back and forth between the two metals. They'll use whichever one is cheaper at the time. But in addition to that industry, they're obviously also used in the jewelry industry as well. That's a big player in the global precious metal demand. Pretty much goes without saying. And I actually learned today while doing a little bit of research that platinum is just as resistant to corrosion as gold, which is also good news. So moving away from platinum, let's also talk a little bit more about palladium. Obviously, we just talked about the car industry and when it comes to jewelry, but it's also important to note that palladium plays a big role in dentistry. This is something that I found out a couple of years ago. I'm pretty sure the first video I ever made talking about palladium, that was the main focal point of the video. So it's actually pretty interesting how the precious metals are also used in dentistry, for those of you who didn't already know that. And I also found out today that palladium is used in blood sugar test strips. I personally didn't even know that. It's also used in watchmaking, aircraft, spark plugs, surgical instruments, and electrical contracts. So platinum and palladium are not just precious metals, they're industrial metals as well. But they're much more rare, they're much more scarce, they're much more valuable than other metals out there, such as copper, for example. I'm a big fan of copper. I love copper. I stack copper. When it's free, I don't pay for copper. I did twice, but that was just for fun. For the most part, I stack copper when it's free. But when it comes to the platinum and palladium, they're very important metals as well. However, I choose not to stack them. Never in my life have I owned a platinum or palladium coin, round, or bar. At one point, I strongly considered it, but I opted out of it, which I'll explain momentarily. So what I'm going to do now is show you all a clip from Wednesday night's VIP Club live stream. I go live every single Wednesday night. Pretty soon I'll be doing 2 streams a week. I also do monthly giveaways. I have a new one dropping this weekend. And I also do daily silver and gold deal alerts and a whole lot more. So link in the description if you want to join. But I'm going to include a clip right here from the stream where we actually talked quite a bit about platinum and palladium. And I went into full detail about why I don't stack them and why I prefer silver and gold over them, and why I intend on continuing to stack silver and gold without stacking platinum or palladium. And after the clip is over, I'm going to hop back on and we're going to talk a little bit more about platinum and palladium and how I might actually consider picking up a piece for the channel. But first, here's the clip. Here we go. Gold is definitely superior, but silver is more affordable. Both metals is good. I would agree with that. They're both great. There's a reason I stack both. And to tell you the truth, at least in my opinion, I think if you're stacking both, you're truly getting the best of both worlds. I really don't think you can go wrong when it comes to stacking if you're stacking both of those metals. And you can always spice things up with platinum and palladium if you want. Even rhodium, but I don't think anybody has the currency for that. Isn't the spot price of rhodium like $30,000 or something like that? Okay, maybe not 30. 20. Let me see. About 18K. That's a lot. You can get 1/10 of an ounce of rhodium for more than a full troy ounce of gold. So yeah, rhodium's pretty out of the question. Platinum and palladium, however, I'm not against them. I respect them for diversification purposes. I won't rule them out, but at the moment, I'm just not really interested in either of them. Platinum or palladium. I don't own any platinum. I don't own any palladium. Not even a little 1 gram bar of either of the metals. I've never had platinum, never had palladium. At the moment, I plan on keeping it that way. I want to laser in on the silver and the gold. Not that there's anything wrong with the other metals. Just right now, they're really not for me. Maybe one day. Part of me feels like probably not, but I can't rule it out entirely, because guess what? If I find a really good deal on a platinum coin or something like that, I'm not against picking it up. I just don't really have the ability to see myself getting into platinum stacking or palladium stacking. They're cool. I respect them. I appreciate them. They serve their purpose. But they're not exactly what I'm looking for in precious metals, which is why I'm going to stick to silver and gold. I will be honest though, there was a time where I had a platinum Britannia, I believe it was, in my shopping cart on, I want to say APMEX, a couple years ago. And I can go to APMEX right now. This was late 2018. Let me see what the spot price of platinum was in late 2018. Because that was right around the time that I had a platinum Britannia sitting in my shopping cart. Okay, so in late 2018,
Platinum was about maybe $820 or so, somewhere within that range. Toward December, it went down to the high 700s. And I want to say it was a 1/4 ounce Platinum Britannia sitting there in my shopping cart. Unbelievably low premium. I don't remember exactly what it was at the time. It wasn't too far above spot though, so maybe it was like $200 or something like that. Somewhere within that range. Again, this was like 2.5 years ago, or maybe even 3 years ago at this point. So I don't remember exactly. But I was about to pull the trigger. I was about to get it. I was about to order it. I don't know why, but something told me, you know what? Remove it from your cart and get silver instead. And that's exactly what I did. I wasn't sure at the time that it was the right decision. I realize now that it definitely wasn't the wrong decision. I think the only wrong decision I could have made would have been if I removed it from my cart and then just bought some nonsense with it. No. I took one precious metal out of the cart and put a different precious metal in the cart. I stayed busy. I still fulfilled what I had to do at the time. Preserve a little bit of wealth. And the roughly $200 that I would have put into a little platinum coin at the time, I put that $200 into silver instead. All I did was store value in silver rather than store value in platinum. Same difference. Still a store of value, still wealth preservation. I just personally think silver and gold, by the way, I think silver and gold have far more upside than platinum and palladium. Now, I'm also trying to be careful with how I word things here, because I don't want to make it seem like I'm sleeping on platinum and palladium. Like I said before, I respect both metals. I think it would be kind of cool to get a little platinum coin and maybe a little palladium coin, really just to make a video about it. I think it would just be kind of a cool idea. But at the moment, I definitely cannot see myself beginning to stack either of the metals. But truth be told, I'm not against picking up a little coin or two. One of each. One from each metal. Might be kind of fun. Might make for a cool video. Might have to do that one day. But right now, not the move. Not for me.
So yeah, that was about a 6-minute clip from a, believe it or not, over 4-hour long live stream. That's a VIP Club record, by the way, the longest stream I had ever done. By the way, link in the description if you want to join. I do monthly giveaways. I have one dropping this weekend. I also do weekly live streams, daily silver and gold deal alerts, and a whole lot more. I guarantee you the value exceeds the cost. Link in the description. But back to the platinum and the palladium. Like I said in the clip, I don't own any platinum. I don't own any palladium. I never have. I'm not against it necessarily. It's just not really what I'm looking for in the precious metals. But funny enough, while editing that clip, I started thinking about it. And I'm not really against picking up a little platinum or a little bit of palladium just for the sake of making a video about. So I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know, what do you guys think? Should I go and pick myself up a little, maybe a 1/10 ounce platinum coin, maybe an American Eagle, Britannia, or something like that? As for palladium, it's kind of pricey. And I don't think I've ever even seen a 10th ounce palladium coin. I'm not even sure those exist. I could go with a little 1 gram palladium bar, but premiums on those are pretty hefty. But I'm not against picking something up. If it's to make a video about, and to do a full in-depth review video on the coin or the bar, and talk about that specific precious metal, and talk about my thoughts and how it's used in all these different industries, head on down to the comments and let me know, what are your thoughts on that right there? But I also want to continue the discussion on platinum and palladium. Head on down to the comments and let me know your thoughts on those metals. Most of us, at least here on this channel, talk about the silver and the gold. From time to time, I'll talk a little bit about copper as well. Not a precious metal, it's an industrial metal, but I still stack it when it's free. Big believer in diversification. Do you use platinum to diversify? Do you use palladium to diversify? Do you stack a variety of different precious metals? Some silver, some gold, some platinum, palladium. Are you one of the rare people out there who might even stack a little bit of rhodium? Or maybe you did in the past, back when it was not almost $20,000 an ounce. Want to have a full, in-depth conversation about platinum and palladium, since those are not topics or metals that I really ever talk about. So let's dedicate this video, in the comment section of this video, to some of those metals right there. Do you stack any platinum? Do you stack any palladium? If you don't, would you consider it? Or are you completely and totally against platinum and palladium and you're going to stick exclusively to silver and gold, or silver or gold? Head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic when it comes to any of the precious metals.
And if anybody's interested in joining the Precious Metals VIP Club, it's where I can do things on my own terms, not on YouTube's terms, my terms. I'm hosting privately held live streams. They're smaller and easier to manage. I'm posting exclusive VIP-only adventure vlogs. I also do giveaways, discounts, personalized promo codes, shoutouts, deal alerts when silver and gold is on sale on a variety of different websites. And of course, you can watch all of my videos early and commercial free. Come join the Precious Metals VIP Club. It'll be the first link in the description. You're invited. I'd be happy to have you. And if you guys enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button. If you guys like me, make sure to hit that subscribe button like a Karen hits a bus window. Also subscribe to my second channel, which is my backup channel for exclusive weekly content. Bunch of brand new videos over there. I posted one about China banning cryptocurrency, one about AT&T cutting its dividend, other videos about real estate, videos about silver, videos about gold, and a bunch of others. Go check them out. The link will be in the description. Trying really hard to hit 3,000 subscribers. We just hit 2,000, and I appreciate that. And if you want to help support the channel in the biggest possible way, please consider getting yourself some DYDSS merchandise. Of course, we have some precious metal themed t-shirts and hoodies, which are up for grabs, along with a ton of other products. T-shirts, hoodies, even stickers, many of which are raising funds and awareness for different charity organizations, such as the recently released Kraken Stackin' t-shirt, hoodie, sticker, and coffee mug, inspired by the beautiful 2-ounce silver Kraken coin, which, by the way, is helping us raise a little bit of funds and awareness for ocean cleanup charity organizations at no additional cost to you. It comes out of my pocket, not yours. And of course, last but not least, the brand new DYDSS Karen Free Zone t-shirt, hoodie, sticker, and coffee mug.
My name is not Karen.
Any and all merchandise can be found by clicking the first link in the description section down below. Thank you in advance. It's more than appreciated. And I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know once again.
What are your thoughts on everything shared in today's video? What are your thoughts on platinum and palladium? I personally do not stack them. I cannot see myself stacking them in the future. I'm open-minded to picking up a little piece of platinum just to make a video about, maybe even palladium, but I'm really not interested in ever stacking them for weight. Might be kind of fun to pick up a piece. It's a little bit different than stacking. When it comes to stacking, I'm going to stick to silver and gold. But I want to know your thoughts. Do you dedicate a portion of your precious metal portfolio to either of those metals? Platinum, palladium, maybe even rhodium? I'm going to go ahead and assume probably not, but you never know. Head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic regarding platinum, palladium, and if you think I should pick up maybe a little 10th ounce platinum coin to make a video about. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. And remember, don't you dare stop smiling. Peace.